Hi everyone, welcome back to art class. Hope you all had a nice vacation. Now we'll get back to our art class. So what we are going to make today is radial relief paper sculpture. So this is what you are going to make. This I had made in a 12 by 12 size. If you have that size paper, you can go for that size. And if you don't have, you can go for the A4 size as well. So these are different types of origami folds. Here it is used radial balance, where each section is having the same design everywhere. So that is radial balance, and let's see how this is made. So for that, first you will take a A4 size paper. It will be better if you take a darker one, like if you have a black one, you can use that one. This is a black chart paper which I cut into A4 size. So you can use it that way. So when you are doing it on a black, the colors will pop out. All the colors will be seen very nice, and that the end result will be very nice. So for that, first you need to make a square out of this. So you will fold it from one corner on your fingernail, and you need to cut the extra off. That way you will get a square. Now, as I told you, we need to make a radial design. For that we need the grid. So you will fold it the other way also, and you will get a cross. These 4 sections are there. If you want more sections, like it is according to your design, you have to decide. So if you want more section, you need to fold it half this way, and the other way also. So now we have a center point. From there we have all the lines for the radial balance. Radial balance will be like each section will have the same design. Either it could be like this big sections or this small sections, or more smaller also you can make it, but folding it that way it will be little bit tougher, especially like a thicker paper like this. So I'm just using only these many folds. I hope you can see the lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4 lines are there. Okay. Now we will see how the origami folds are made. So for making this design, this is the bigger one, 12 by 12. For this, the squares which I've taken are 3 inch by 3 inch. Whereas for the A4 size paper, I'm taking square which is 2 by 2. 2 inch by 2 inch size squares I'm taking. With that, you need to make the origami folds. So what you have to do is draw like mark 2 inch on both the sides, on all the sides, and join them, and then you can cut it from the color papers you desire, and you will have 2 by 2 papers. That is what you will be using for making this project. So in this radial design, we are using mainly 3 different types of fold. This type of fold is called kite fold. It's very simple. You will take a paper, you need to fold it into half diagonally like this. Now open and bring both the sides towards the center, inside and the other side. Okay, this is kite fold. Now we will see the other one. This is the hat fold. This is very simple. You need to fold it into a half. Then from both the sides you will bring it to the middle. See, like this, to the straight. And here also the open side should be down. So to the open side you will be bringing the folded side. So this is called the hat fold. Now we will see the samurai fold. For that you will fold into half, open and fold the other way half. Now open, now meet the opposite corners, open, again you will have to fold it the opposite corners, that half. So together, all together like this folds will be there. So what you will do, just follow what I am doing. Now you have all the 4 lines, bring the half like this. Okay, now when you hold like this, you'll see this corner, you bring it down and close. Here the other side also do the same. Just bring it down and close. Now we will have a fold like this. Down it is this way and this way. Now you have 2 flaps on one side. Take one flap and bring it straight to the middle, this way, and your fingernails to make the fold bond. Now take the other side also and bring it to the middle, and you have to fold it this way. So this is called the samurai fold. Okay, so these are the 3 folds we are using. I made an extra fold for my design. So what I did, this is the same thing like samurai fold. I'll show you in green color. You can make different types of folds. It's up to you. So just an extra version of the samurai fold I made. Same thing I'm doing. I'm making all the 4 lines, corner to corner, side to side fold. This is same like samurai. Now fold it into half. We have all the 4 lines same like that blue one. You will have folded it into half. Now you will bring the side to inside like this. Here also you will bring the side to the inside like this and make the fold. And like the samurai, you will fold this into the middle. This also in the middle. And now after making the samurai, what I do is take the corner again. I will make the fold here again a little bit outside. So you will have another line over there. That will give a different look from the samurai fold. Okay, it's looking like a tulip. So like this you need to make enough pieces. Now I have all the folds ready and the base is also ready. Now we will make it. What I have made is 8 pieces of each design I have made. Now we will start. So we will plan how we want them. We'll arrange and see. So one line, on this line this will come, and next this design will come. So like that 8 designs will come over here. I mean 8 yellow pieces will come on the middle of the paper. Okay, we will stick that first and see the rest. To that we'll apply the glue. Right to the center, align it. So yellow is done. Now I will add blue over here. Blue will be added at this point. You don't have to follow the same thing. You can make your own designs. You can use different color patterns. I want to see all different patterns and different color combinations. Here what I did is I've taken all 8 designs only. Okay. Now I will put the red again in these corners like this. So again I have put red glue. I'm trying to put it on the lines so that you will have it as a radial design. Mandala is also a radial design. So here we are making a sculpture using these paper foldings. You have done mandala in a different class. And you have done origami also in a different class. Here we are combining both and making a sculpture. This is called gradient relief paper sculpture. And red one is inside here. Yes. Now the green I was planning to put it inside here. Okay, I'll see it. Need a glue in the middle here. One will come like these two in between. I'm putting one. I'm leaving this. I'm putting it over here. And then leaving that part over here. Moving that part. We'll see whether this is coming inside. Yeah, it's fitting. So I'll put that two there because glue is there. So it's like applying and coming up with new designs. You can apply it and see how it is coming. If it is fitting in, you can add more like that. Let's see. Voila! It's done. So that is what you have to make it for this week. This is the activity. So what you need is colored paper, glue, scissors, and a black chart paper if you have. Black will be better. Or you may take some cardboards like the back of your cereal box or any chocolate box and completely paint it black, and then you can stick it over that. Like that also you can make it. Go creative and make this sculpture. Have a nice day.